Okay, the closing tag includes a dash slash. Yes, Samiksha? Forward slash. Dash, it is a forward slash. Okay, tags are also known as, Taranya? Tags are also known as, everybody unmute, unmute yourself and give answer. Is elements. Okay, tags are also known as elements. Now I'm repeating the answers for the students who had joined late. So first is dash tag breaks the line. Which tag breaks the line? Which tag breaks the line?
Ma'am, BR.
Line break.
BR. Okay, good. Then dash heading levels are there. Arman?
Ma'am, 6 heading levels are there.
6 heading levels are there. Dash tag is used to start a new paragraph. Simarpreet? Which tag is used to start a new paragraph? And dash attribute of paragraph tag is used to align the paragraph. Okay, Arish?
Yes, ma'am.
Dash tag is used to, dash attribute of paragraph tag is used to align the paragraph to right.
P align equals right.
P align equals to right. Dash tag is used to change the background color. Akul?
Ma'am, body BG color.
Body BG color. Extension of the HTML document. Lavish?
मैम फिर से एक बार रिपीट करना
Extension of HTML document. Blank number 6.
मैम dot html
Dot html. Okay. Closing tag includes a dash slash. Diya? Jasmine?
Forward slash.
Forward slash. Okay. Tags are also known as? Ishan? Tags are also known as? Harman?
Ma'am, elements.
Elements. Okay. Now true and false. BR tag has a corresponding closing tag. BR tag का closing tag होता है? Yes.
Ma'am, no, उसका नहीं होता.
No, so it will be false. BR tag has a corresponding closing tag. False. The title tag is given inside the body tag. It is true or false?
False.
False. Because title tag is given inside the head tag. Top margin attribute is given within the body tags. True. There are 4 heading levels available in HTML.
False.
The syntax to change the font color is font color equals to color name or color code. True. बेटा font और color में देखो space नहीं दी हुई. False. Space should be there. Font is the name of tag, color is the name of attribute. तो दोनों अलग-अलग words हैं. दोनों में एक space होना जरूरी है. यहाँ पे space नहीं है. So that is why false. अगर space होती तो it will be true. ठीक है? अगर space होती तो it will be true. Now empty elements has both on and off tag. False. Okay, false. ठीक है? Done? Okay. Now next page.
मैम इसके नीचे भी है पेज के.
मैम 7 और 8 पढ़े.
Okay. HTML stands for hypertext markup language. Okay, true. Okay, true. An HTML file can be saved with any extension.
False.
False है. HTML file can be saved only with .html extension, not with any extension. ठीक है? Any extension नहीं, किसी भी extension के साथ save नहीं हो सकती. सिर्फ HTML extension के साथ ही save हो सकती है. Okay? So this is false. So first is false, second is false, third is true, fourth is false, fifth is false, sixth is again false, seventh is true, and eighth is again false. Okay? Okay, now this one. Next page. Application based questions. Rashmi has made a web page using the HTML. She has saved this file as a text document but cannot view through the browser. Help her to rectify the error. Rectify the error means correct करनी है, गलती क्या गलती करी है, जिससे इसको गलती कैसे ठीक करेंगे कि उसका फाइल जो है वो वेब ब्राउजर में विजिबल हो. What error
Ma'am,
he has? Yes.
she should use .html extension so that the browser can identify it as an HTML.
Correct. So she has saved this file as a text document. That was the error. So she should save the file with .html as extension. She should save the file with .html as extension. Write it. Bharti wants to set the background color of her HTML document. Which tag would you suggest her to use in order to accomplish this task?
And
BG.
body
Ma'am,
BG.
body
Tag is the
color.
body tag
Body
and BG color is the attribute. So
Attribute.
similarly, जैसे हमने अभी उसमें true blanks में देखा था, you can write it. She should use which tag? Body tag is
Body BG
suggesting.
color.
We are suggesting the body tag, but with BG color attribute equals to color name. Okay, or color code.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
मैम बॉडी बीजी कलर में बॉडी कैपिटल में नहीं आता है.
Doesn't matter. HTML is not a case sensitive language. आप small में लिखो, capital में लिखो, doesn't matter बेटा. Body
Okay,
जो
ma'am.
HTML है, this is not case sensitive language. Case sensitive language नहीं है. It will identify the commands or tags in any case, upper case or lower case. So we should suggest, we will
Okay, ma'am.
suggest the body tag with BG color attribute. Okay, next question. Ashima has created a project in HTML. She wants to show each sentence of her project from a new line. Suggest her the tag.
BR tag.
BR tag.
मैम BR tag.
BR tag. Correct. So any time when you write the tag, type it in angular brackets. ठीक है. BR tag इस क्वेश्चन के आंसर में जब आप लिखोगे तो आप उसको एंगुलर ब्रैकेट्स के साथ लिखोगे. कैपिटल में लिखो या स्मॉल में लिखो, इट डजंट मैटर. टैग्स विद ब्रैकेट्स जरूर लगाना. ओके. Okay, now multiple choice question. Dash element is used to emphasize the text.
Bold.
Bold. वैसे तो बेटा
Bold.
bold और underline दोनों आ सकते हैं because bold, underline, italic, they are the font styles which are used to emphasize the text. ठीक है? तो here you can every tag is underline is also used to emphasize the text, na? Yes, we had underlining it. So according to book, you can try take it as bold. Okay, you can take the bold option. Dash tag breaks the line and display the text from the
मैम
next
BR
line.
tag.
BR tag. Tags are of dash types.
Two types.
Tags are of two types. Okay, Sanvi. Font style tags are also known as.
Ma'am, physical markup.
Correct. Physical markup tags. Physical markup tags. It is given in your book, page number 116. Font style tags are also known as physical markup tags. Now, which are the three font style tags? कौन-कौन से हैं font style tags? Yes, Arish, unmute yourself, then give answer, beta.
Underline, bold, and italic.
And bold, italic, and underline. These are the font style tags, and these are also known as physical markup tags. Okay. HTML is an improved version of
HTML.
SGML. HTML is an improved version of SGML. Which of the following tag display the text in italic?
मैम I tag.
I tag. I tag. हाँ जी, सबके आंसर्स यहाँ तक हो गए बेटा. किसी का कुछ रहता तो नहीं है? Shall I repeat? किसी का कोई क्वेश्चन रहता हो, कोई डाउट हो किसी क्वेश्चन में अभी तक? ओके, नेक्स्ट, व्हाट इज HTML?
Ma'am,
What is it?
HTML is a complete code package that allows user to create web pages. It includes text and graphics. We can add links to our web pages. Hyperlinks are highlighted text segments or images
Very
that
good.
add the page
बस
to other
बस
pages on the web.
बहुत ज्यादा लंबा आंसर नहीं करना बेटा, राइट 2 or 3 lines only. It is good.
Ma'am,
मैं
recap of the
very
chapter
happy
में
that
इसका
Lavish is
answer है।
starting by sitting at home. जब क्लास में आते हो तब भी ऐसे ही पार्टिसिपेट किया करो और पढ़ा भी करो. I'm feeling very good. Okay, yes, HTML का लविश ने बहुत करेक्ट आंसर दिया. It is a complete package which allows us to create the web pages. ठीक है? HTML is a computer language that is used to create the web pages. That allows us to create the web pages. You can add the links to it. You can add the graphics, text and graphics and hyperlinks to the web pages by using HTML. It includes the text and graphics. You can add the links to your web pages also. Okay. It is a complete code package, or you can say it is a complete language, computer language that allows you to create web pages. Okay. Now, what do you understand by tags? Name the 2 types of tags. How many types of tags are there? What do you mean by tags?
Ma'am, a tag is a piece of code which
Lavish, no. Everybody, other students will also give answer. Okay, Harman, what do you mean by tag?
Ma'am, a tag comprises of text enclosed in angular brackets.
Okay, it is like an instruction or command. Tag is like an instruction or command given to the browser what to display and how to display. And tag is always enclosed within the angular brackets. Okay. It is, what do you understand by tags? Tags kya hai? Tags are the commands or instructions which are given to the browser. What to display and how to display. Okay, tags are like instructions or commands given to the browser that instruct the browser what to display and how to display. And how many tags are there?
Ma'am,
two types of tags are there. Name them. Container tags.
Container tags and empty tags.
Empty tags. Okay. So tag is like a command or instruction that instruct the browser what to display and how to display. Tag is always enclosed within the angular brackets. There are 2 types of tags, empty tag and container tags. Clear? Okay, next question. Differentiate between container tag and empty tag. Okay, Pari. Difference between container tag and empty tag.
Yes, ma'am. The tags that include both on and off tags are known as container tags. The tags that contain only on tags are called empty tags.
Correct.
Example of container.
Yes.
Example of container tags are HTML head, title, and example of empty tags is BR tag.
Correct. ठीक है, बिल्कुल करेक्ट है, एग्जैक्ट यही आंसर है. Container tags, the tags which are having both on and off tag, both opening and closing tag, they are called container tags. And the tags which are having only opening tag, they are called empty tags. Examples of container tags, you can give 3 examples, and examples of empty tag you can also give. HR, BR, IMG. ठीक है, examples of container tag, all the tags जो आप use कर रहे हो, font, bold, italic, B, I, U, या center, H1, all these tags are container tags. P tag, HTML tag, title tag. Empty tags, HR, BR, and IMG. HR, BR, and IMG. Now, what do you understand by attributes?
मैं बोलूं?
बोलो.
Ma'am, attributes means a property that provide additional information about a specific tag.
Correct. Correct. An attribute is a property that provides additional information about the tag. Like body के साथ हमने BG color use किया, that is an attribute of body tag to provide the additional information like background color of the web page. Okay.
Ma'am, it
Yes.
consists of two parts: a name and a name
value.
and a value.
Value. Correct. Correct. An attribute is a property that provides additional information about the tag. It has two values. It has two parts: name of the attribute and value of the attribute. Because BG color is the name of attribute is equal to करके जब हम उसका color specify करते हैं is equal to red. Red is the value of that attribute. Okay, next. Explain the paragraph tag and its attributes. Akul.
Yes. Paragraph tag is used to display text in the form of paragraph, syntax, angular brackets, then forward slash closing tags. It consists of a line attribute which is used to specify position of a text and includes left, right, center, and justify.
Correct. Correct. Paragraph tag, P tag, that is used to display the text in the form of paragraphs in a web page. Okay. Syntax, I already make you write. आपने लिखा हुआ अपनी rough copies में opening P tag, then type dashes for the text, then close the P tag. Okay. And then there is one attribute used with the P tag, that is your align attribute. And align attribute can have the values left, right, center, and justify. Okay. Paragraph tag is used to display text in the form of paragraphs. On a web page. Syntax, P tag, text, close P tag. Then attribute, align attribute is used. Align attribute is used with P tag to specify the position of text on a web page. To specify the position of text on a web page. It can have 4 values: left, right, center,
and
justify. ठीक है? Clear? Okay. Next question. What is the significance of BG color attribute of body tag?
Ma'am, BG color. BG color is the attribute of the body tag. It is used to change the background color of the web page. It is always written on the opening tag of the opening of the body tag.
Okay. BG color attribute, it is used to change the background color of web page. That's it. BG color attribute of body tag is used to change the background color of web page. सिर्फ इतना sufficient है इसका आंसर. What is the significance of BR tag? ये भी हमने MCQs में भी था, blanks में भी था. What is the significance of BR tag? Adish, can you give answer? Yes, Adish, can you give answer? What is the use of BR tag? Kavish, Jasmine. If you are present here, give answer, beta. Unmute yourself, Kavish, Jasmine.
May I speak?
Ma'am, may I speak the answer?
No. Samiksha. What is the significance of BR tag?
BR tag breaks the line and displays the text from the next line without giving any space between two lines.
Correct. Correct. BR tag is used to break the line and display the text from next line. BR tag is used to break the line and display the text from next line. Which tags are used to apply bold, underline and italic properties to the text?
Center.
Question ध्यान से पढ़ो. Which tags are used to apply bold, underline and italic properties to the text? Bold, underline और italic provide करना है, apply करना है, तो कौन सा tag use होगा?
Font
Ma'am,
style
font
tags.
tag.
No.
Font
Style.
Beta, answer is given in question only. Which tags are
Ma'am, B
used?
tag, U tag, and I tag.
I tag.
B tag for a bold, I tag for italic, and U tag for underline. Which tags are used to apply the bold, italic and underline effects? Bold करना है तो कौन सा tag use होगा? B tag. Italic करना है तो कौन सा tag use होगा? I tag. And for underline, U tag. Which tags are used to apply these effects? Now, which attribute of body tag is used to set the margins of a web page?
Ma'am, top margin.
Left margin, top margin.
Correct. Left margin and top margin.
Top margin.
Left
मैम
margin.
इसमें bottom margin आ सकता है?
नहीं आएगा, ना top ना bottom. Because, oh sorry, top आएगा, ना bottom आएगा, ना right आएगा. Only left margin, because whatever left margin we will give, that applies to both left and right side. Top margin जो भी हम apply करेंगे, that applies to both top and bottom. That is why अलग से नहीं आएंगे. Only two attributes are there, left margin and top margin. Anji, any doubt in the question answers?
No, ma'am.
Anybody? किसी को कोई doubt है question answers में? Now all of you are supposed to do these question answers in your fair notebook. Okay, as you do always. So we do these question answers in your fair notebook and you can send me the fair notebooks by day after tomorrow. Saturday tak send kar do. Okay, I'm giving you one day. You can send me these 9 question answers only. Okay, back exercise 9 question answers you will do in your fair notebook and you will send me the PDF of that notebook by Saturday. Okay. सैटरडे तक सबकी नोटबुक्स मेरे पास होनी चाहिए. Okay, now in your rough notebooks we are going to practice the HTML coding. We are line. ठीक है? Write in your rough notebook. Write HTML code for following. Now these are the one-line codes. ठीक है? These are the one-line codes.
मैम आपने क्वेश्चन क्या बोला अभी?
Write HTML code for following. I'm giving you a few question answers. You will write the HTML code for this. To display HTML is fun as heading level 3 and underline. HTML is fun. इसको आप heading level 3 में लिखना है और underline करना है. तो क्या कोड लिखोगे आप? स्टार्टिंग वेब पेज स्टार्टिंग से नहीं करना है, सिर्फ एक लाइन के लिए कोड बताना है कि अगर आपको इसको हेडिंग लेवल 3 और अंडरलाइन डिस्प्ले करवानी है तो क्या कोड लिखेंगे? ओके, यस परी, जस्ट अ मिनट. बोलो।
मैम मेरे को पता है मैम मेरे को पता है
ओके
मैम।
जस्ट
इसमें
वेट।
पहले अगर हमने यहाँ पे
आवाज
मैम
बंद
नो
हो।
द मैम आई नो वेरी करेक्ट आंसर।
I know that you know the correct answer. I will let you give the answer also. Okay, let me try Pari first. Yes, Pari.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, firstly, angular brackets में H3.
Correct.
Then
Then
angular brackets में U tag.
correct.
Then HTML is fun.
Hmm.
Then angular brackets with slash U ending tag.
Correct.
And then H3 with
Correct.
slash.
Very good. Very good. So I can give you many questions like this for a single line code having the multiple attributes or using the multiple tags, and you can practice them. If you learn how to write a single line, then you can create the web page easily. ठीक है, web page में we can divide the page into different sections and you can write the code for each section. Okay. Now write the second question. हाँ जी, बाकी students सबको clear है? इन्हीं किसी को कोई doubt है इस question में तो you can ask. You have to
No,
learn
ma'am.
these things because this is a very important question of coding. ठीक है, we can ask you the output, we can give you the one line codes, we can give you the coding for web page in your tests, in your exams also. आपको coding करनी है. ठीक है, you will not be able to copy and paste this answer from internet. If you are giving exam, अगर offline exams होंगे, then you are supposed to write them. So please be attentive in the class and learn the coding, how to learn the coding, how to do the coding. Now write the next question. To display, write the question as well as answer. All the questions as well as answer in your rough notebook. This will help you to revise the things later on. So everyone write these questions as well as answers in your rough notebook. कंप्यूटर की जो रेगुलर नोटबुक लगाई है उसमें इसको लिखो. टू डिस्प्ले Microsoft as in color red, size 5 and italic. To display Microsoft in font color red, size 5 and italic. Anji, now who will give answer? Okay, Anjani.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
मैम मैंने पूछना था कि कल नैन्सी मैम हमें टॉपिक करवा रहे थे नेस्टिंग ऑफ टैग्स, वो आ सकता है?
बेटा nesting of tags I already told you. Now we are using two tags, H3 underline. This is the nesting of tags. Tags used within another tag. तो यहाँ पर जब भी हम nesting tags use करेंगे, we will close the tag which is starting later on. I told you last in first out. Last में underline use किया है, first ये बंद होगा. Nesting of tags means the tags which are used within another tag. ठीक है, that is nothing new or different topic नहीं है, same है topic. We are using the nesting tag. Always we are using the. We are not using any single tag. हम एक ही tag तो apply नहीं कर रहे हैं ना. We are using the different tags, applying the different attributes. So this is called nesting of tags. Okay, now who can give me the answer? Microsoft in color red, size 5, italic.
मैम
may I?
बोलो.
मैम ये क्या बात हुई?
हाँ जी बोलो बेटा.
मैम सबसे पहले हमने एंगुलर ब्रैकेट्स. मैम फिर क्या कहते हैं उसको?
Which
मैम
tag?
फॉन्ट साइज.
Font tag size
Font tag.
equals to
मैम 5.
Then space.
मैम स्पेस के बाद क्या कहते हैं उसको? मैम फॉन्ट कलर.
फॉन्ट दोबारा नहीं लिखना है, फॉन्ट टैग यूज हो गया.
मैम कलर.
कलर इक्वल्स टू रेड. देन क्लोज दिस ब्रैकेट. नाउ सेकंड एट्रीब्यूट क्या है?
मैम
इटैलिक.
मैम
इटैलिक के लिए कौन सा टैग?
मैम इटैलिक के लिए
अभी क्वेश्चन आंसर्स में भी कर रहा है. Which tag is used for
I.
I
I
tag?
tag.
I
मैम आई
tag.
टैग
Okay, I tag हो गया. Then text क्या है?
मैम
Microsoft.
आई टैग को क्लोज नहीं करते.
माइक्रोसॉफ्ट. पहले अप्लाई तो कर लो. किसको अप्लाई करना है? यहाँ भी देखो, पहले ओपन किए, फिर टेक्स्ट लिखा, फिर क्लोज किए. अब हमने टैग
अच्छा मेरी स्क्रीन
ओपन
बड़ी
कर
थी.
लिए, फॉन्ट कलर साइज. ठीक है. नाउ वी आर क्लोजिंग द टैग. नाउ टाइप द टेक्स्ट, देन क्लोज द टैग्स. व्हिच टैग विल बी क्लोज्ड फर्स्ट?
मैम यू मैम सॉरी क्या कहते हैं उसको. मैम फॉन्ट साइज वाला टैग.
फॉन्ट पहले बंद होगा या आई पहले बंद होगा?
मैम आई टैग पहले बंद होगा.
I.
आई टैग पहले बंद होगा. लास्ट इन फर्स्ट आउट. पहले फॉन्ट आई टैग बाद में शुरू हुआ है, बंद पहले होगा. फॉन्ट टैग पहले शुरू हुआ है, बाद में बंद होगा. Okay. First of all, open the tags with all the attributes which are required in question. Then type the text that you want to जिसको effects apply करने हैं, and then close the tags. Understand? हाँ जी. Any doubt till now in today's topic?
नो.
No,
No.
ma'am.
Okay. First of all, do these question answers. Read the chapter thoroughly. Then I will give you these kind of one-line question answers. Many question answers are available. These we will practice in class, as well as I will give you as an exercise also. Okay.